Hey guys, Namaste, welcome to my YouTube account. I'm super excited to share my today's project to make this candle stand / pedestal for your crystals. I used thick paper sheet, sellotape, cardboard tubes, plaster of Paris and paints. First up, I drew a claw to decide on shape and size of my project and made a mold of this rough shape of a claw. For this mold, I have a cardboard tube and other shapes cut out of thick paper sheet, all lined with sellotape to make them waterproof. I also have a cardboard cutout to prevent my mold from expanding. Once this mold is ready, I poured water and plaster mixture in it and left that to dry for a day. I also released this cast from the mold and let it dry for some more. And this is how it looks before I trimmed, shaved and carved claws from it. Here I have the claws all ready to paint. To paint, I used a fluorescent red spray paint for entire thing, and at last I made a leopard print on it with acrylic gold color. I hope you enjoyed this project. Would appreciate your like, sharing and subscribing to my channel. I create and you can hit that bell icon to check out my future projects. My Instagram handle is @CrativeheadsHM. I'll see you guys soon. Love and light. Bye.